our hard work, our contribution. But what are we doing? We are bounded by chains of unemployment, fleeing abroad in search of opportunities. We are trapped by the selfish games of political parties. Corruption has woven a web that is extinguishing the light of our futures. Youth, rise! We are the torch bearers of change. If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not build this nation, who will? We are the fire that will burn away the darkness. We are the storm that will sweep away injustice and bring prosperity.
Meanwhile,
Pinas Duterte pa rin! Ako si Veronica Kitty Duterte, bunsong anak ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nandito ako ngayon dahil kinuha nila sa amin, sa ating lahat, higit sa lahat, sa akin, ang tatay ko. Noong March 11, 2025, nasaksihan ko ang pagkidnap at pag-abuso nila sa tatay ko. Pilipinas Duterte!